This is the AI News Flash for May 15th, 5 a.m. UTC. First up, China's largest foundry, SMIC, outlined a strategic realignment to capitalize on the AI boom in its first quarter earnings call. Revenue rose 11.5% year-on-year to about $2.5 billion, and net profit grew 5% to $197.4 million, falling below the $223.6 million estimate as operating expenses surged 30%. SMIC is pivoting from dividends toward capital investment, holding capex roughly flat with 2025 levels, while still exceeding 20% of audited net assets, entering what it called a critical stage of capacity expansion. Management warned that surging AI-driven memory demand is tightening supply for other consumer chips, marking a decisive signal in the China domestic AI semiconductor ecosystem amid the US-China chip race. Next, Shenzhen Adtek is exploring a Hong Kong IPO at a $4 billion valuation. Bloomberg reported 23 of the 27 Chinese AI companies that listed in 2026, roughly 85% chose Hong Kong, rapidly cementing the city as the dominant AI listing hub. Following the Zhipu AI Tigers cohort, data center firms are joining the Hong Kong listing wave, forming a distinct Chinese capital market ecosystem amid broader US-China AI decoupling. With Baidu's Kunlunxin and Biren AI chip IPOs also in the pipeline, the Hong Kong Chinese AI listing rush has become the defining 2026 capital market trend. Third, Ukraine's Defense Minister Mikhailo Fedorov is leading an AI killer robots transformation with a goal of full robotic frontline logistics. The New York Times reported. Kyiv plans to contract 25,000 unmanned ground vehicles in the first half of 2026, more than double the 2025 total. Building on his earlier work as digital transformation minister, Fedorov's program has deployed autonomous Viri drones in combat against Russian targets, verified through video footage by the New York Times. This follows Palantir Maven Smart System, Anduril, and Helsing as the leading edge of battlefield AI, even as the Geneva debate on autonomous weapon stalls and demand for military AI structurally expands. Fourth, Pope Leo XIV warned at Rome's La Sapienza University that investments in AI and high-tech weaponry are leading the world into a spiral of annihilation. It was the first papal visit to the campus since Benedict XVI canceled a planned speech in 2008, and Leo sharply criticized soaring military spending coming at the expense of education and healthcare while enriching elites. He described the relationship between war and new technologies in Ukraine, Gaza, Lebanon, and Iran as an inhuman evolution, calling for stronger monitoring of military AI so humans cannot absolve themselves of responsibility. Leo's first encyclical, expected in the coming weeks, will explore AI more fully, positioning the 1.4 billion-strong Catholic Church as a decisive voice in global AI ethics governance. Finally, global insurance broker Gallagher unveiled AI-enabled benefits decision support tools in partnership with Avante. The system translates complex plan language into plain English, provides conversational, personalized guidance, side-by-side comparisons, and cost projections for employees. Integrated with Gallagher Drive Analytics, the platform gives employers visibility into utilization trends, cost drivers, and plan performance, shifting from annual enrollment campaigns to year-round data-driven decisions. Targeting large North American and European employers, the launch underscores AI adoption among major insurance brokers alongside Aon and Marsh addressing medical inflation and employee engagement simultaneously. That's all for this AI News Flash.